how to install, how to assemble 3D scanner.
看箱子啊，
Firstly, open the box.
我们用的东西放一遍，所有的数据
There
线
is one close, the data cable, communication cable. This is a tripod. This is the connection part with projector.
对起来啊，一下，内嵌式的啊，
Press. Fix it like this way. Now the projector is installed well. Next step, we will install the lens.
.刚开始是松动的啊，不需要调节。
At first, it is loose, in loose condition,
不需要调节啊。
need an adjustment. For this 3D scanner, there are two lens. Developed by German.
我们的 USB 数据线，
This is a USB data communication cable. Insert.
连接啊，
Fashion it. This is the other data line. Fashion it. The lens diameter is 12 millimeters. Make it in loose condition. This is a
VGA 数据线。
data cable connection with the projector and the computer. Okay, insert. This cable will be connected with computer. For the table computer, big computer connects this part with the CPU, and for the laptop computer,
是。 USB 两个。
USB data line.
我们需要连 USB 2.0。
USB 2.0.
电源。
It's a power supply cable. Power supply. Connected with the power supply. Power. 先打开软件。 And we will open the Flex 3D software. Flex 3D software. This is a dongle.
扫描软件 ，Flex 看3D3啊，双击。
Flex Scan 3D. Double click and open the software.
软件打开，
And open the project cover.
相机，
All the covers of lens.
然后这个是哪个？
Picture of the calibration board. This is the calibration support. Clamp the calibration board inside the support.
那个参与者。
After installing the calibration board, we open turn on the power supply.
按一下就可以了。
Press one time. Just one time. Adjust the height of tripod.
这个距离大概是在600的啊，从这。
This distance from this surface to this surface, the distance is about 600 millimeters. And press the right button of the
好，
mouse
屏幕分辨率。
and choose the density of the screen.
给你检测，
Inspect.
识别，是1，那边是2啊。再识别一下，给你看一下。
35. 1 in screen and 2 in calibration board.
设定2的分辨率。
Set the pixel of
分辨率使用1024×768。
pixel. This.
确定。
Press enter.
打开。
Open the software.
For calibration 里边校正，
Choose calibration.
新建一个，
Build a new file.
起上名字，
Choose name.
然后保存路径是已经设定好的。
Save root. OK.
选择第一个相机，
Choose camera 1.
这个序列号
This is the serial number of the camera lens.
跟相机的号是匹配的。
Matched with the lens serial number.
第二个相机，
Camera 2. This serial number is matched with the lens serial number.
然后在右边点设置，
In right place is calibrate setting.
然后改成 focusing。
Choose focusing.
好，调那边。距离
Then
设定好以后，然后调到焦距。
after we set up the distance, we will set the focus. The
调
focus
一个最
point.
清晰的状态。
Set it up until it is the most clear, the clearest condition.
下一步我们调相机，
The next step, we will adjust the lens.
然后把鼠标移动到红色十字线的
Move
中
the
心。
mouse into the center line of the center. The red line, the center of the red line.
这时候我们需要准备好多工具，
Now we have to prepare some tools.
一个扳手，一个小内六角，
These tools we will need.
看是净水仪啊。先大体旋转到，
Rotate the lens.
你得来那边吧，把它松了，
Now we lose the
松
screw
了，
and adjust the height. Trim the height of the lens.
把它调在水平的位置。
水平的位置。调哪个在水平的位置？这个图像吗？
对，十字线正好对着那5个点。先不用管左右，就
The
管水
cross
平
line, the cross
先不
line.
先不用管那个竖的，光管那个平的、水平的啊。只
水
要
平 horizontal. Make it in the horizontal.
对，
Make the red cross line just in the center of 5 points
然后我们再把它固定了。
and fix the lens.
这种好处是校准一次以后，后续不需要校准。
The advantage of this type of calibration adjustment is we just need to do adjustment for one time and
一定要
needn't
保证
do
很
it
简单。
in the future.
一定要保证很简单。
And please make sure it is efficient, fixed very well.
好，然后我们再看竖直的那条线，
And we will
这样竖直的线，
adjust the vertical.
然后
the
竖直的线
vertical
我们
line
通着来它来调，旋转相机来决定。
And we will rotate the lens to make the vertical center line in the center of 5 points.
绑好了以后，我们需要用这个扳手把底下这个固定丝给，
And we need this tool to fix
把它给
the screws.
锁定了。也必须是很紧的啊。
It needs to be, it has to be fashioned very well.
好，另一个相机，
然后
另一个相机，
then we will adjust the other lens. Firstly, we lose this screw and adjust the lens, rotate the lens to make sure the horizontal red line in the right in the center of 5 points. you can see the right lens take charge of corresponding with the below image. Make the horizontal red line just in the same surface with the central point of 5 points.
竖线对那5个点。
For the vertical red line, the vertical red line just in the center, in the same line with these 3 points, the black 3 points, vertical. They are coincidence with the red line.
好，我们下一步调相机的焦距跟光圈。
The next step, we will adjust the lens. The focus circle. The next step, we will adjust the lens. Firstly, we choose room.
移到中心，放大。
And move the mouse into the center. Another image, and this switch is in charge of the room function.
然后调它。
To lose it.
然后看那个地方。
And micro adjusting this. And make the image in the clearest condition. Now this is the clearest condition.
好，下一步啊。
调完之后要紧一下 and we will fashion it after adjustment. The next step is to choose lines.
移到中心。
And move the mouse into the center of 5 points and lose the switch.
看我的指甲好长。
And adjust this part. And to make sure the curves in the upper part, in the upper position. 所有的曲线都在上面。
这个地方没有红色的啊。这是镜头看的范围没有红色的。
This is arranged, no red color.
好，依次调下面这个。
Then we will adjust the other lens.
那现在很清楚。
The procedure is same.
然后我们光调光圈就可以了。
You can see for this image there is red part in this image. We will remove the red part. Make this curve in the upper part, upper position. Then there is no red part now.
行。都设
Then
定好
next
了。
step we will press estimate.
估算的数值一般是在30到70左右。
The value is about 30 to 70.
然后下面我们从这软件看里设定校正板的尺寸。
We will set the size of calibration.
校正板的尺寸跟校正板的尺寸必须一致。
The
跟实际校正板一样。
size must be same with the actual calibration board.
看一下那上面尺寸，这上面的尺寸啊。
This is the size. This is the size of calibration board. 15 millimeters square.
这是15啊。然后点采集。
And press capture.
好，出现这些彩条，说明是那个正确的。
There are many colorful lines in the image. This is right.
好，
It proves we make the right.
我们移动校正板。
And we move the calibration board.
多次采集。
And calibration capture it several times.
具体采集的那个可以看一下说明书啊。
The more detailed calibration procedure, you can refer to the brochure, our menu. Now we adjust the height of the tripod of the projector and move the calibration board. Press the capture button for several times.
采集完成以后，点一下校准，点计算。
After we finish the capturing progress, we will press calibrate.
好，出现一个结果。误差。
Calibration results will appear. There is a standard deviation.
OK.
Press OK. 误差控制在多少以内
？130万都在30左右吧。你打上去看吧。30以内就行，主要是看这个覆盖率，只要超过65%就可以。它这儿有提示。
Recommended coverage is above 65%.
现在是82啊。
And now the present condition is 82.9%. So
如果那个话会操作得更好。
The operation is okay.
这可以。
And we press project.
准备扫描。
We will prepare for scanning.
然后新建一个。
Build a new project.
然后名字。
Name.
OK.
Press OK.
一样的名字了。然后从上面依次选择 Mesh.
We will choose Mesh.
如果贴标记点的话，我们这儿需要选择 Markers.
If we paste the marks on the surface of the material, then we choose marks.
类似这个的话题可以选择标记点。
Like this marks. But for our 3D scanner, in normal condition, we needn't marks.
可以不选标记点，然后底下清理选择标准就可以。
Clear up choose standard.
好，我们放上模型准备扫描。
And we will choose the scanning object and we'll start the scanning procedure.
这时候可以随意移动这个模型。
We can casually adjust the height of the tripod of the project.
这需要点一下 Scan 就可以啊。
Now we press Scan. 哪个地方呢？
这红色的。
哦 ，Press Scan.
你挡住，这个字不行啊。
你刚才挡住了。
这是扫描其中一部分，然后我们换个角度。
We move the angle of the object.
这儿没有选择标记点，所以它不能自动拼接。
Because we didn't choose max alignment, so it couldn't be automatically alignment.
我们可以手动拼接，使用 Alt 加鼠标左键旋转。
We have to manually alignment the scanning image. Press Alt and 什么？
鼠标左键旋转。
The left button of the mouse and also the Alt button together. Press them together.
移动到大体位置上。
And rotate it in the rough place.
然后我们可以选择物体特征对齐。
And we will choose Align Mass Geometry.
点击对。
Press.
对齐，然后它就可以对齐。
Then it is the alignment is finished.
好，我们接着把下边没扫到地方接着扫一下。
Then we will continue with the scanning procedure. Scan. Every time we press scan, we get a new image from a different angle, and we do the same operation. Press Alt and the left mouse button together, and rotate it in the right place, and then press Align to finish the alignment of this image. And we will repeat the procedure several times. After we finish the scanning the lower part of the scanning object, then we will make the projector higher and scan the upper part of the scanning object.
或者可以放倒整层。
Or we can lie down the scanning object.
可以换各个角度来扫。
We choose different angles to scan the object. If this part we needn't, it is
Control
unuseful, so we will cancel it.
套选。
这个怎么呢？ Press Ctrl and the left mouse button, and choose this part, and then delete.
选中的会变成黄色。
Delete. We cancel it because it is not useful. After several times scanning, we can view the scanning 3D model, and if there is something we are not satisfied with, we can scan this part, this unsatisfied part, and get a better image, better scanning effect. Now the 3D model is scanned. Is finished. You can compare the actual scanning object and also the 3D models. If you want to get a better effect, better scanning effect, you can choose to scan more times. In normal condition, for this object, you can scan about 20 to 30 times to get these 3D models. But if you want to get better effect, you can scan more times. You can see for this scanning 3D models, the created 3D model, there are some holes on the surface of it. The next step, working procedure, is to perfect these 3D models by geometric software. The next procedure, we will combine all the images into one 3D models. We will choose all the image in the left part, in the left position. We choose all the files, and then we will combine all the scanning images into one 3D models.
然后再封装。
And we will finalize.
选择精确模型。
Choose precise merge.
OK。
Press OK. Then finalizing scans. Just now we combine all the images. The combine button is here. After combine procedure, we will choose finalize. The next step is export the model.
选择 STL 格式。
Choose STL format.
上面的输出。
Export. And choose the save path. Export succeeded. Then we will open the geometric software. We open the geometric software, then we will import the STL file we just created from 3D scanner.
"提示是否使用网络医生，点击否。
Press no.
这是咱扫描面模型。
This is the 3D models we just created by 3D scanner.
我们可以先简化一下。
We choose this button, simplify.
简化一下，简化的时候需要勾选固定边界。
Choose the fixed line. Fixed borderline.
这个数值是一个经验数值，后期可以。
This is the experienced percentage parameter.
简化的时候不要影响模型造型的那个曲面。
During the simplifying procedure, we can't affect the curves of 3D models. After the simplifying progress, then we will press Enter. Confirm.
然后填充这些孔，
We
点
will
击全部
hatch.
填充。
We will choose hatch all the holes.
然后软件会自动把这些孔给填好了，红色的表示
And the
填
software
充了。
will automatically hatch all the red part. 你刚才已经选上了这个输入，它自动识别。
它自动选。
嗯。
确定。
Press OK。Press Ctrl。
好，现在哈那些小孔都没有了。
All the red holes disappeared.
啊，好，下一步使用网格医生。
We will choose this NetLine Doctor.
Mesh Doctor.
Mesh Doctor.
Mesh Doctor. 应用。
Apply。
应用完以后，这些错误面全部变成了0。
After apply, then all the error surface will be 0. Will be changed into 0. 需要很长时间吗？
很快，几秒钟，30秒。这里时间提示。但那个时间提示一般不准。一个进度条。
This is a progress. Sure. You can see. All the curve error. Most of error disappeared. Parameter become 0. In normal condition, all the error will be disappeared after we press apply button. But for this, you can see all the error disappeared. Press OK. Press Enter.
好，输出。
And then we can output.
Save as.
Save as.
选择 STL 格式。
Choose STL format.
STL 选择 binary 格式。
STL.
Binary.
Binary. STL binary file format.
就可以了。
Then it's okay.
那下一步就是输入编程了。
The perfect 3D models is created, and these 3D models could be directly used in programming software like PowerMail or UG. Finish. This is the whole procedure. Thank you for watching.
然后再给你看一下那个标记。自动拼接了。